This morning, Datuk Ismail Sabri attended court. He was charged under Section 26 of the MACC Act. Essentially, it is an offence of not complying with the notice to declare certain assets. Today, myself, together with Datuk Sri Rajan, together and Mr. Ragunas Kesavan, we appear for Datuk Sri Ismail. Initially, the prosecution proposed the bail sum of 500,000. They wanted his passport to be surrendered to the court. Of course, we objected to the amount being too excessive, manifestly excessive, and with regard to the condition punitive, it's punitive in nature. And as regard to the passport, we objected for the passport to be surrendered. There is no necessity for his passport to be surrendered. He has proven himself to be not a flight risk, and there is no evidence to show that he is a flight risk. He's here to clear his name. And upon hearing the arguments that Datuk Sri Rajan had put forward, myself, Mr. Ragu, finally the court had decided that the appropriate bail amount to be set is 300,000, and the court decided not to impound his passport. Okay, so that is as far as what happened in court today. The date has been fixed for case management for the prosecution to supply all the relevant papers which they need to use in court. That's it. Anything else?
What's the date for the...
It is 29 September
29 September.
for the prosecution to hand over the documents.
In the meantime, we will be studying the charge, and of course, we did inform the court that we are raising certain concerns about the propriety and the legality of the charge. But we will not go into detail. We will definitely do something. We will definitely study the charge, and if need be, we will definitely file a necessary application.
You said during your said the case is peculiar because of why?
Oh yeah, we are saying that prior to this, there was an application filed for the prosecution to MACC for those assets that have been the subject matter of the current charge to be forfeited. In normal circumstances, when you use that particular provision, we have decided that there shouldn't be any prosecution. So, and there was an information given by the prosecution that was studying the IP that decided not to take any action. And the fact that suddenly now there is a change of heart by the prosecution, that's something that we have to look into. That's why we say it's big procedure.
It has never, this situation has never arisen.
Datuk, what is the situation of the law commission?
Okay, Alhamdulillah, he's recovering. He's due for his next visit with IJN as a follow-up. So as far as today, of course, we're glad that nothing untoward happened to him. And let's keep on praying for his health.
How does it feel about this charge being
Nobody likes to be charged. Let's be clear on that. Especially when you think that the charge is baseless, unfounded, and after what had transpired based on the circumstances of the chronology, of course nobody will be happy about it. Nobody's going to be happy. Assuming that the current Prime Minister, assuming that he steps down, he would like to be charged as well.
So Datuk, are you saying that there is a big agreement where
No, we can't disclose as to anything further than that. All we can say is that we find that the circumstances surrounding the whole prosecution is a bit peculiar.
And we want to explore it.
We want to explore that.
is this why they are contesting in the third party? Last time there's no third party contest on the issue, right?
Well, as to whether or not there was any third party contesting to it, that's a separate issue. What we're saying that the manner how this charge is referred against Datuk Sri is peculiar. We are studying the matter. Datuk Sri Rajan, myself, we are studying. We will definitely take the necessary action to challenge the validity and the propriety of the charge.